Hello, this is Kent from EasyTest Pool Supplies, and today we'll be talking about SilkGuard Complete Tablets from BioGuard. The SilkGuard Complete Tablet is a unique compressed blue sanitizer tab used in BioGuard's three-part care system. They dissolve much slower than a traditional tab when the pump is off due to SmartGuard technology. They contain algae-fighting crystals to stop algae before it starts, and have sunshield technology to offer protection from sunlight. The tablets also come with SilkGuard technology, which softens the water by attaching to hard water components and metal surfaces to protect from scale. 2 tablets are used per 10,000 gallons of water and should be placed in a floater or a feeder. They are available in a 7.5 pound container or a 25 pound bucket. And if you'd like more information or would like to purchase, visit us at easytestpools.com or stop by any of our stores. Thanks for watching.